Yo, what's up? This is Norris. I'm here again with a video. Well, it's kind of like a construction video, but not too long ago, I did a project in the house and I documented it. And I was like, this is what you do to show that your wife or your significant other, whoever it is, that you know how to do shit. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes they forget you still know how to, you know what I'm saying, do something around the crib, construction wise. So I went to Home Depot. I got some supplies. All right, like I said, I'm right outside our garage here, and I don't have any work boots, just my tartan print slippers, okay? Don't try this at home. So I have some net. I'm gonna have to cut this down to fit my wood planks, and I have brackets to go up under the wood. And I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. So my stepson, Bubby, he just got this goal for Christmas. But the problem is, once it skews all this right here. This right here is Christmas boxes and stuff, and this is an old bed. You know, my stepson got a new bed for Christmas, so we gotta get rid of that. But otherwise, the front of the garage do be clean, okay? The problem we get, the basketball bounces off the rim, and it hits the ground, and it goes over the gate. And once it go over the gate, is down the hill. You can see down the hill, and the ball gets stuck in the bushes, and then we have to run down the ramp all the way down there. So what I want to do is I want to put the planks up like this and extend the height of the gate like that. And then I'm gonna take this right here and disattach to the wood. All right. So let me get started. Yo, so I'm in the car because I got the wrong size bracket. The brackets I got are this tall right here, and I actually needed one about that tall. I really didn't figure that out until I put the plank on top of the gate and I went up, and it was barely touching the wood piece. So I need to go up higher just so I can get screws through it. All right, so off to Home Depot so I could switch that out. I promise you we're gonna get this done today. Okay, so I'm back from Home Depot. I got my plaque, which I had before. It's like 1.5 feet long. And then this is the bracket. Like, this is seriously a lot bigger than what I needed. The one I had was like this, but I needed like this. But it was out of stock of the ones I really needed, so I had to get the extra goofy looking one. So that's basically gonna fit in just like that. And then I'm going to drill holes on both sides with the net on it to keep it high enough so the ball won't go down. All right, let's get busy. All right, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. So I have this go up under like that, and then I set this on top. Then I grab a screw, put it on my thing, put the screw on my drill. Then I screwed the back of it. Okay, I went ahead and put all the stenders up. I have 10 all the way around, just like that, all the way up over here to this corner right there. So once I put the net up, it's gonna block all of that, and now the basketball can't bounce on the ground and over. It'll stop it from going all the way out there somewhere down the street. All right, so I'm gonna be using this canvas net. I'm gonna fold it in half to double it up like this, and then I'm gonna use a staple gun to staple into the barracks that I made, the wood pieces. Okay, so check me out. Okay, so I put it up all the way around, as you can see, and now I'm about to secure the bottom just like this by using a zip tie or two zip ties, because one was too small, and I basically had to put two of them together like this. Put one in right there, just until it click, and then I use that to go around, catching the bottom. Just like that. All right, let me finish up. All right, I'm finally done. I wished I had footage of him playing so y'all can see it actually working, but I think he's up under the weather today. I think he's catching a cold or something. So hopefully I get that footage before I edit this up, but it works. Once again, fellas, sometimes you have to do shit around the house to let your wife or your significant other know you still know how to do shit. This is, damn, I need a name for these segments, man. Hit me in my inbox and give me a name for these. I don't know. I personally don't even know what to call it. So if you can help me find a name for these little things I be doing. Oh no, I'll figure it out. Anyway, appreciate you watching. Comment, like, and also subscribe to my channel. Follow me at Norris Dancer Ford on Instagram, all my socials, and I'm out.